What's up, guys? Viper FPV here, and today it is Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas to everyone. It is the day for the giveaway. I'm giving away again this Rotor Riot CL1 frame and also this Umagod remix frame. So pretty much what we're going to do is we're going to go over to the video. We're going to copy in that link, and then we're going to do a random comment picker and see exactly who wins. But I do want to appreciate every single one of you guys who have participated in watching my videos, subscribing to my channel. The channel actually has hit 6,000 subscribers, so I couldn't do it without you guys. I really do appreciate you guys' support. But without further ado, let's go ahead and pick two winners and see who wins. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and copy in the video link. We had 214 comments. Go ahead and go over to the random comment picker. Paste that in there. We are filtering duplicate users just in case if anybody has entered in more than once. All right, we're going to go ahead and get the YouTube comments, and we're picking two winners. The first one is going to be for the CL1 frame. The second one is going to be for the Umagod remix frame. So we went ahead and loaded the comments. We got 211, so unique commenters. And let's go ahead and pick a winner. This is for the CL1 frame. Jacob, sir, I need a new frame. This would be a great stocking stuffer this holiday season. Keep up the good work with the videos. So you are the winner of the Rotor Riot CL1 frame. All right, so let's go ahead and pick another winner. Let me copy this down so I don't forget. Okay, pick another winner. So this is going to be one for the Umagod remix. Valero Pichi. Hope the win. So it looks like you are the winner of the Umagod remix frame. Congratulations to you. But to everyone else, I appreciate you guys watching my videos. I am super ecstatic for what 2021 will be bringing to the channel. I do have some projects lined up to do and some awesome new products to review as well. But this is Viper FPV, and I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. See you guys in a future video. Peace.